Millet most versatile electrical connector kit, ring, fork, hook, spade and butt splice heat shrink wire connectors are included in this multi-purpose electrical connector kit. Durability and weather resistance. Thick copper barrel ensures a strong wire crimp every time. Your wire will never slip out of these connectors. Ease of application. Strip wire insulation, crimp terminal barrel with a wire crimper, and apply heat with a heat gun while rotating a connector. Compliant with all electrical standards, Nilight heat shrink connectors are compliant with ROHS, ISO 9001-2008, SGS and CE standards. Millet Quality Commitment. We stand behind the quality of our products. Fit type. Universal fit. Specification. Shrinkage ratio 3:1 dual-walled design tubing. Polyolefin tubing on the outside and hot melt adhesive inside, wire gauge imprint on connectors, extensive selection. 9 connector types. Forks, rings, hooks, quick disconnects, butt connectors. In 3 sizes. Red, blue, yellow. Nilight heat shrink connectors are compliant with ROHS, ISO 9001-2008, SGS and CE standards. Top reviews from the United States. Great spades. As always, I get an awesome product from Nilight. These spades are my third order. I like how tight they fit together and the heat shrink makes a good seal. When you do a project that you want to do only once, use Nilight wire connectors and you'll be fine.